13 are Field Artillery Firefinder Radar Operator Certification Practice Test. Question 1. What does RPAS stand for in Firefinder operations? A. Radar Positioning and Alignment System. B. Radar Position Analysis System. C. Rapid Point Acquisition System. Or D. Remote Power Access System. The correct answer is B. Radar Position Analysis System. RPAS stands for Radar Position Analysis System, used for analyzing radar placement. Question 2. What is the standard location averaging radius for detections? A. 100 m, B. 200 m, C. 500 m, or D. 1000 m. The correct answer is B. 200 m. When location averaging is active, detections within a 200 m radius are averaged into a single point of origin. Question 3. Which zone type prohibits the radar from reporting any acquisitions? A. Priority zone. B. Critical friendly zone. C. Sensor zone. Or D. Call for fire zone. The correct answer is C. Sensor zone. A sensor zone is an area where the radar is blocked from reporting acquisitions to avoid clutter or friendly fire reports. Question 4. What is the minimum number of points required to define a zone? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, or D. 5. The correct answer is B. 3. A zone must consist of at least 3 points and can have a maximum of 6 points. Question 5. What is the primary frequency band for the IN/TPQ-53 radar? A. X-band, B. L-band, C. S-band, or D. C-band. The correct answer is C. S-band. The Q-53 operates on the S-band for long-range target acquisition. Question 6. Which zone is designated to protect high-value friendly assets? A. Sensor zone, B. Artillery Target Intelligence Zone, C. Critical Friendly Zone, CFZ, or D. Call for Fire Zone, CFFZ. The correct answer is C. Critical Friendly Zone, CFZ. The CFZ is a priority zone that triggers immediate counterfire and warning when a round is predicted to impact there. Question 7. What is the recommended distance for placing radiation warning signs from the radar antenna? A. 2.5 m, B. 6.4 m, C. 10.0 m, or D. 50.0 m. The correct answer is B. 6.4 m. Radiation warning signs should be placed at least 6.4 meters away to ensure safety from RF emissions. Question 8. What are the two techniques for cueing a radar? A. Manual and automatic. B. Situational and demand. C. Direct and indirect. Or D. Internal and external. The correct answer is B. Situational and demand. Cueing can be situational, proactive based on intelligence, or demand, reactive based on an observer report. Question 9. What is the secondary mission of a 13R specialist? A. Infantry support. B. Calibration and registration support. C. Logistics coordination. Or D. Direct fire engagement. The correct answer is B. Calibration and registration support. The primary mission is target acquisition. The secondary is providing calibration support to friendly indirect fire units. Question 10. What does PO stand for in radar reporting? A. Point of objective. B. Point of origin. C. Probability of output. Or D. Position of observation. The correct answer is B. Point of origin. Point of origin is the location from which the hostile fire was launched. Question 11. How many revolutions per minute does the Q-53 rotate in 360-degree mode? A. 5 rpm, B. 10 rpm, C. 30 rpm, or D. 60 rpm. The correct answer is B. 10 rpm. In 360-degree mode, the Q-53 antenna rotates at 10 rpm. Question 12. Which configuration of the Q-53 includes both the Mission Essential Group and the Sustained Operations Group? A. MEG, B. SOG, C. Sustained operations, or D. Limited ops? The correct answer is C. Sustained operations. Sustained operations uses both the MEG, antenna/processor, and the SOG, generator/cooling. Question 13. What is the maximum length of a single fiber optic cable for the Q53? A. 100 m, B. 250 m, C. 500 m, or D. 1000 m? The correct answer is C. 500 m. A single fiber optic cable for the Q53 system is 500 meters long. Question 14. What is the possible detection area? A. The area where targets are most likely to hide. B. The 3D space defined by range, sector, and vertical scan. C. The range of the friendly artillery. Or D. The area inside a sensor zone. The correct answer is B. The 3D space defined by range, sector, and vertical scan. It is the volume of space searched by the radar beam where targets can be acquired. Question 15. Which radar is typically used for light or short-range mortar and artillery detection? A. AN/TPQ-37, B. AN/TPQ-53, C. AN/TPQ-50, or D. AN/TPQ-48? The correct answer is C. AN/TPQ-50. The AN/TPQ-50 is a lightweight, short-range counter-mortar radar. Question 16. Who is responsible for the tactical employment of weapons locating radars? A. The platoon leader, B. The counterfire or targeting officer, C. The radar operator, or D. The battalion commander? The correct answer is B. The counterfire or targeting officer. The counterfire officer or targeting officer determines where and how radars are used in the overall plan. Question 17. What does cueing mean in radar operations? A. Aligning the antenna to north, B. Prompting the radar to radiate for acquisition, C. Calibrating the frequency, or D. Measuring the distance to a target? The correct answer is B. Prompting the radar to radiate for acquisition. Cueing is the process of telling the radar to turn on its transmitter to look for incoming rounds. Question 18. What is the maximum number of targets a Firefinder radar can track simultaneously? Approximate. A. 1, B. 10, C. 30, or D. 100? The correct answer is C. 30. Firefinder radars like the Q36/37 can track dozens of targets simultaneously. 30 is a common benchmark. Question 19. What does POI stand for in radar operations? A. Point of interest, B. Point of impact, C. Probability of interaction, or D. Position of intelligence? The correct answer is B. Point of impact. Point of impact is the predicted location where a hostile round will land. Question 20. What type of zone is used to trigger an immediate call for fire on a battery? A. 8 eyes, B. CFZ, C. CFFZ, or D. CZ? The correct answer is C. CFFZ. A call for fire zone, CFFZ, is an area where any detected hostile firing results in an automated request for counterfire.